Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock the Dodge Challenger in Asphalt 9. To get this powerful car, your main goal is to collect enough blueprints. These special items are essential for both unlocking the vehicle initially and then upgrading its star level. We'll cover exactly where to find these blueprints and how to efficiently add the Challenger to your garage. There are several ways to gather the blueprints you need. A primary source is progressing through the career mode, where certain races offer Challenger blueprints. Don't forget to regularly check and complete daily events, as these often feature specific car blueprints. Also, keep an eye on the Legend store. Blueprints sometimes appear there for purchase with in-game credits. Once you've unlocked the Dodge Challenger, the journey isn't over. You'll want to star it up to maximize its performance. Each star level demands more blueprints than the last, but the investment is worth it. Starring up your car boosts its speed, acceleration, handling, and nitro, making it much more competitive in races. Aim for maximum stars for the best experience. To unlock and upgrade your Dodge Challenger efficiently, focus on a few key strategies. Always prioritize advancing in career mode, as it provides a steady stream of initial blueprints. Make sure to complete all daily events every day, as they are a great source for specific car parts. Finally, be smart with your in-game currency. Save it for those essential blueprint purchases in the store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.